How you doing, everyone? My name is Crazy M Mechanic. Today we're going to be working on Houston. Apparently my phone is not liking me today at all. So we are changing out our, not only corner lights, but you see here and here, which is again a nut that's doing this. We're going to change those. Those have been all changed out. We're going to get rid of those dull, dingy lights. We're already upgraded one corner light. We'll show you the interior light. Apparently my phone is deciding to be a you-know-what. I don't know why. These were a butt to get out. Houston is being a total you-know-what. Okay, no, those we're going to use these. We're going to use those because we need to just.
What does it look like?
See, we're going to be using those type of bulbs. Because this bulb here, guys, it actually doesn't do anything.
What?
It's just there for extra light. Okay. Okay, so those are done. Let's go over there and change the other two small bulbs. Let's get that done. And then we're going to get to the main turnsicle. Houston needs an oil pump. Found that out, guys. The rough way. Okay. Houston's never had his headlights removed. That's why. I'll tell you that. So this one's going to get the brighter one. Ooh, look how bright that is. Well, I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but that is bright. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that one incandescent bulb again. Make sure these work. Perfect. If not, switch it around. If you don't put a resistor in here, guys, you'll get hyper flashing. Okay, and then we are going to be installing these. These are going to be our new tricycles. Yeah, I know. Using your teeth. What up? Look at that. Ooh. But, so we can finish up this side. Okay, we got that done. Now we need to add a resistor here because you're going to have to. I might need to put you on pause because I got to get 2 more resistors, but I think I got some over there. Hold on. Keep it going, Mr. Green. Okay, we got that in there. Again, tap into. Looks like your pink and black wire here, and then looks like to me you're gonna tap into your green wire on your Jeep just to get your resistor in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you the interior lights. Unfortunately, my phone decided to be a pain. I was like, well, that's your problem. Okay, let's go ahead and mush that down. Okay, close that. Put that in there. And then we're going to tap into here. Same story, you're going to tap into your green. And that should pretty much, and then we'll show you that your turnsicle should be just fine. Okay. Right there. That doesn't look like it should be that low. It should be a little bit higher. You have to get those closed more. Okay. Okay, we got that out. That's fine. I don't care. The first one always seems like it goes smooth, and the second one just tries to bite you straight in the ass. Oh, what the world? Oh, must have a timing. Oh. Must have a timing set, guys. I didn't know that on this Jeep. Okay. They both don't come out. Close that. Okay, close that. Apparently that one decided to just come right out. That one went in there. Okay, I don't mind doing this. Again, one more time just to make sure it fits. Okay. And let's get that out of there. It seems like it pulls that. That's why. That's the reason why I hate these resistors. There's the reason why I hate resistors, guys. Or these T-taps, or whatever the hell you want to call them. Okay, put it in there. Again, same story, pushed it back in there. Give me that darn thing. Come on, Houston, stop biting me. You're trying to be a butt. I should give it a new nickname. You know, a definite nickname for Houston.
How about the ogre?
Yeah, the ogre would be perfect. Oh, that would, because everything you touch on this vehicle almost tries to bite you straight in the ass. And look at that, it's trying to. Oh shit! It was in there. See, this is tight. That's not. It's like the one on the roof of the vehicle. Okay, gonna get that in there. This time we're gonna keep it in there. Gotta make sure that doesn't, see, that's trying to pull out. That's not. Okay, that's good. Okay, that should be good. Okay, let's go and see how these lights work. Okay, let's close this silliness up. And close that up. Okay, let's see how these things look. Just to get that resistor back through here. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, let's turn this on. Do this. Up there, please.
Wow.
No wonder why I'm resisting like that. I'm wondering if it's. See, I noticed right away I'm not. Houston's trying to fight me. Okay, let's see if we pull these. Really, Houston, you're gonna be a pain in the nut. Let's see if we pull this out. Okay, guys, Houston's trying to bite me straight in the butt. They don't like LEDs. At all.
Well, you can get a flasher for that, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should cover all 4 sides, I think.
Yeah, I think we're gonna just get a flasher for that. That doesn't make any sense. Well, screw it. I'll get a flasher, guys. At least they work. Okay.
That is bright.
Wow. I just dropped that right to the ground like I've been doing. Oh my goodness gracious. Everything I touch. Houston. Start working. That is way brighter. Hold on. Let me see if I turn it on. Okay. Now, we got one working. So. My goodness gracious. Oh my. Houston, I can't believe you're trying to bite me. Oh yeah, we gotta do it this way because someone stripped the screw. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's one way. There's a way, there's a will. I guess we'll just do that on the other side. Okay. We're putting the resistor in there to just install this hard LED. And then we'll be done. Where there's a will, there's a way. Houston's just trying to bite me straight in the ass on everything. Make sure that's good. Pick up these balls, pick this up. This garbage up. Pick this up. Oh, you dork. Just go ahead and go fly in every direction you want. Okay, put those in there. That there. Alright, let's try this side again. And we got a bright light bulb. Yep, we'll get a resistor and knock this nonsense flashing off. Okay, pick those up, pick those up. Get that out of here. Yeah. Okay, next I need to find out what I did with my stupid 7mm. It just seems like I just loses everything like I'm doing today. Got a habit of losing stuff, guys. Alright, where did that 7 go? Quarter. Thing. Oh, what the hell did it? Oh, it's in the vehicle. I know where it is. It shoved something down. Oh, there it is. Perfect. I know where it went. Before, these incandescent were just, whew, damn. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Let's go ahead, put down the hood, everything's out of the way. Awesome, huh? Put it on position. We'll get a resistor, but let's show them the inside of the vehicle. Inside the vehicle. And check this inside out, guys. Check this inside out. Check it out. Look at that. Ink LEDs all the way around. Sorry I didn't show you that, but there's videos of doing that. Make sure you install a resistor. I got to put one down here, but there's videos on that. But look at the day and night that this vehicle makes. Having this. Well, besides that, but as long as I don't hit too many bumps and stuff, we'll be okay. But look at that day and night difference. Okay, so that's how you do your turn signals on the front. On Huston, this is your basically be an 02. It doesn't matter, 99 to 04 Jeep Grand Cherokee. That's how you do your turn signals. We'll have to change the relay out, but it works for now for me. At least it's brighter than what it was. Those headlights need to be replaced really bad. So, if you guys like the video, found it helpful, hey, hit the thumbs up. I guess the resistors don't work in that. Some reason it's just being, I don't know why. Maybe I hooked it up wrong. I don't know. Somebody could tell me what I did wrong. Maybe I could put the right resistors or something right in there. I like to know on that because I think I hooked it up wrong. But there's your interior. Your interior lights, you definitely need a incandescent, not an incandescent, you need a resistor in there in the very back of that vehicle. You'll need that. So that's basically what you do, and then you can get all your LED lights done in there, and then after that you're good to go. So this again, Houston's my 02 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. That's how you do your turns, and that's how you make it look a lot brighter. This thing was being a bite. This thing was being a real booger. It was, wasn't it? So Mr. Green's going to say goodbye. I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm going to wrap the video up, and I will see you guys on the next video, okay? And if you guys, again, found it helpful, hey, give it a thumbs up, okay? And smash the subscribe button. Let's try to get it up to 50, maybe more, but there is going to be another video coming soon for this vehicle. We're going to be doing the oil pump. We got to do that on that vehicle, so I'll see you when we do that, okay? Catch you then. Peace out, guys.